How to fix UPS account login problem. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your UPS account login problem. If you are having trouble logging into your UPS account, then you can follow these steps to resolve the issue. First of all, ensure that you are connected to the stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you may also switch it to mobile data and check if it works. Also, you need to ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Check the details correctly and enter it in the box. If you have entered the correct details and still you are not able to log into your UPS account, then you might have forgotten your password or the username. You need to tap on this forgot username and password link at the bottom, and then from there you need to follow the instructions to recover your password and username. After that, enter your new password and username and log into your account. Also, sometimes the browser cache and cookies may cause this issue. For that, you need to tap on three dots at the top of this browser, and then from here tap on History. You will reach to this page. Here you need to tap on this Clear Browsing Data. Once you tap on it, now select the time range. Make sure all time is selected. Tap on this arrow facing downward at the right, and then from here select all time. After that, you need to make sure you have selected browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. Once you have selected these first three options, now tap on this clear data button at the very bottom below. Once doing that, you need to confirm. Tap on this clear to confirm. Now your browsing history along with your cache will be cleared. Also, ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. You may also go to the Play Store of your device, and in the search bar you can search for browser. Once you have searched for it, tap on this icon to open it. There, if you found update button right here, you need to tap on this update to update your browser. Once you tap on it, it will start the update process. Now once it is completed, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your UPS account. After this, you will be able to log into your UPS account easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.